Traders, I'm looking at the DXY. I'm always going to come back to this to give me some clues as to dollar strength or weakness, and I'll flick between the DXY and the NAS100, the tech stocks. Looking at the this, let's just go out to a daily time frame. So there's a few things going on here. We've got this bullish break above this previous daily. See this candle here? So there's a shift in structure here, bullish on the daily time frame. That's got me a little bit concerned. This is not a clean downtrend, so we're seeing, you know, bullish price action come into play here. Let's just go back to the 4H. You know, I mean, the higher time frame is definitely bearish, but on the lower time frames, you know, we're seeing this. See, we've got this break of market structure right there on this time frame. And there's two things here. One, we've got this movement north. It's also trading into the this buy side liquidity up here. So we've got buy stops that are sitting above these candles here prior to this expansion to the downside, right? This trades back, breaks structure north, but hits this liquidity. So I'm wondering whether this causes this to roll over, and you know, this is the end of its run, and then we see further downside. All right, so that idea is based on the fact that it's hit these buy stops, and I don't see any reaction off that yet. So that could be a play. So you just want to be really careful at the moment, right? Yeah, I mean, this is trending nicely north, but it's trading into a serious resistance level through here. So you know, smart money algos will price this wherever they decide they want to take it. Be careful. Monday they could be just you know, spiking this back up in here to hit stops so that they can tank it. That's one idea. Okay, it's just an idea. Do they push it up further? See, the algos will price it. Retail will follow. If it pushes through any higher, retail piles in, more stop losses go under, they hit more liquidity above, you know what I'm saying? And then do they tank it? That's the question. I just think this is going to react off this level. It may or may not, but I don't really like what I'm seeing, and I wouldn't want to be buying into this level at the moment. This liquidity that's up in here above these highs. You know, it's traded through this bearish order block, right? This green candle back in here. It's pushed all the way through, okay, into these buy stops. All right, so just be careful. That's a bit of a, you know, a warning for the DXY. It's bullish at the moment, but, you know, is it going to continue? That's the question. Take it easy on Monday, guys. We just need to sit back a little bit and let things unfold here. Okay, it's pushing into a previous daily high. That's the previous daily low under here. And now where does it trade from here? All right, now if we have a look at the tech stocks, go to the NAS100. All right, this is trending bearish, but again, so we've got a bit of a conflict. See, we've got these higher lows here, lower high. Fair enough, but here's a higher high. That's a higher high. All right. So the markets are absolutely precarious at the moment. Look at this. Look at this price action. Now you want to be really careful, guys, and you know, wait for things to shape up. So if the dollar gains strength, which I really don't think it will, we should see this tank. Now the Fed is hell bent on propping up the stock markets, so we should see a weaker dollar. The dollar has weakened. Right, but at the moment, the dollar's trading into big resistance, you know, and we're seeing some conflict. We're seeing these chart patterns here shaping up that are, you know, not giving us clear direction at the moment, right? So I would say to you, maybe stay out of the market today. Have a look at some yen pairs or something like that for a day trade. But just wait and see how the USD, the DXY shapes up. And then we'll have some opportunities. I'm having a bit of trouble with my internet. Let's just see if we can go back over here. It's a slow internet. The page isn't loading. It's just giving me grief at the moment. But yeah, the NAS100 is looking a bit precarious. The DXY, nice bullish trend here on the 4H, but it's traded into this level here, into liquidity. Wait for either this to roll over or break through. Okay, guys, sit back and wait for the opportunity, wait for these things to shape up Monday into Tuesday, and we should see some nice opportunities into the week. All right, that's my take on the DXY at the moment.